Wednesday crowd here at the arena in San Juan. We call it Volleyball Central. LaSalle fans in attendance. I'm sure a lot of students, regardless of school, have gone into their Christmas break. Some of them are winding down. Some of them are experiencing exams. Remember, magkita-kita tayo January 5 when we resume action.
Tayo may Christmas break, pero most of these
Players.
athletes, wala. Yung players
Mga 2-3 days lang, ano? Sabi nga ni, nakausap ko si Mayat Zapanta ng Adamson. Hindi raw sila makawala sa kanilang pagkain. Dahil meron pang iniisip na competition. Wench Chu. That ball rolls over to the other side. We have not seen, and that's a good sign that Nepomuceno and Santiago, we have not seen 2 or 3 consecutive clean attacks from National University, which we saw in the first 2 sets at least against Ateneo.
That's right. And again, they're not in their groove, not yet in their groove. But let's see from that offensive block, baka naman they can get something out of that.
Huwag sila maghintay ng matagal masyado, Mozi, dahil...
Mukhang nagmamadali ang DL eh.
Oo, dahil oo nga. Parang gusto na nila mag-break. So we go. 9 serving 7. Former School of the Holy Spirit standout, Michelle Gumabao. With the help of the tape of the net, that's Urdas getting the point.
So at least we can see some offense coming from the Lady Bulldogs. Indin Santiago and now Urdas.
So she serves 8 serving 9. Maranyo asking for it. That should get Pablo going.
Yes, I would think so. You can see her from the block that she angled her body for that offensive block. Pinalik where nobody was home.
Her reaction is still not her natural yet, though, but might be on her way. Service error, though. Free point again for LaSalle as the second-year Mika Reyes has come back in. You're looking at Wench Chu this time. Playing 1 this year na lang. Here for LaSalle. Salibad, Santiago was on top of that ball, but LaSalle able to keep it alive. Salibad trying to go for the second ball. Chu, down the line is wide. No check.
Chu risking that one, wanting to go down the line. No go.
De Basilio comes back in for Wench Chu. Some very interesting names when you talk about these players.
Pinahihirapan tayo ng lolo. Victonara. Mga ano yun eh, siguro mga combination name.
Lucep.
Diba? Oo, Lucep.
Giselle Wench. Iwan ko na sa yung De Basilio, Mosi. Who is on deck serving 11, serving 10.
Sige, mga mamaya na. Sindayeli.
Santiago. Also not her normal self so far here.
Well, in fact, that she should be the one to really lead the way for her teammates.
Yeah, I think she really should pump up some energy into this team if they want to compete against the defending champs. Overset, and Aragalan goes over.
Well, I think kasi yung pumping up really came from Pablo, no? Don't you think?
Yep.
Yung
Natural sa kanya eh.
Oo eh. Now she's trying to downplay everything. Sumasama yung laro eh. Pag-downplay, di ba?
All right. Some players get their energy from that.
Kailangan para kasi Ian grandstander ka.
At walang pakialam sa reaksyon ng tao.
Kahit akala niya para sa kanya, kahit buna, nag-grandstand pa rin siya. So, positivity.
Fajardo is now set to come in for Mika Esperanza. And she will go to the service line. Nag-abot pa ba sila ng high school ni Dindin Santiago?
Yes.
Nag-abot sila, di ba?
Ni Eliza.
Talking about Kim Fajardo and Eliza Valdez, of course.
I think si Kim and Dindin are batchmates.
Did you see that?
Yep.
Triple block.
Total denial. Look at this one
Oh, look at
again.
that. Look at that. Oh, wow. I hope somebody got a picture of that. Because that's
hirap
perfect.
Yep. Perfect timing for the three athletes.
14 serving 11 now. National U lost the first set. Look at Jen diving and still able to give it to the center at the right spot. Reyes on the tip. Pablo saving it. Kaya lang, nanakawan sila.
4-second ball return. Binigay sa kalaban na sa gift eh.
And now, Coach Francis gambles as he puts in Carmina Aganon and takes out Myla Pablo, who has not come out of the game in the last 2 games for National U. I think he sees what we see, Mosey. Obviously, Francis, you know, the intelligent volleyball mind himself. Kaya sabi mo sa akin, magkakabatch sila dito nila Commissioner.
Oo, si Oti, ito si Coach Ramil
Ramil.
at si Coach Francis.
Sige, pag-usapan natin yan maya-maya. KitKat break muna tayo. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a KitKat.